Today's the big day. We're finally going to tear down the truck and start having some fun. I'm going to start out with modifying these inner fenders here. We got to get a little more clearance height so the tires aren't rubbing. So we're going to do some tubs and cut the inner part of the fender a little bit. And then we're going to start pulling the bed off. I got it all unbolted and just give you a little view on the cab, inside the cab before we get going. But I mean, this truck's in pretty good shape. So fuel tank still in the back. I mean, it is a good base to start with. And the inside of this bed is nice. Got some leaves in there right now, but the outside's really good. This is the only real damage on it right through here. So that'll be easy. There's no rust. No rust. Previous owner replaced the cab corners and some pieces. I'm not sure if it's done well. We will get into that. But I'll kind of show you what's here under the hood before we get started. And that is the drivetrain, powertrain underneath it. So it's got a Turbo 400 behind it. I'm not sure if that's something I'm going to keep. I mean, the back side of the hood looks good. But these fender wells, they got to be modified and they got to come up. So I'm going to probably bring them up to about right here. And will give us some more suspension travel and make them work a little better. So probably fab some of those up, but got some work to do. I'm gonna get this bed tore off and then we'll evaluate it a little bit better. Cool. Plug it in the LBD2, find out what's going on. Alright, well, we have a problem with the crankshaft sensor. We won't get it started today, but I'm going to have to get in there and change the crankshaft sensor, but I know it runs. It was running before. I just mainly wanted to circulate the oil in it, but we will... Alright guys, looks like we're not going to get it running today. It wants to fire, but we got a crankshaft sensor problem, so I will address that. But stay tuned for next week, and I'll have the front clip. We'll get the front clip pulled off and start evaluating the rest of the truck. But guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and